Okay, I'm going to start with the creating model, a basic model. For example, I'm adding using the multi-cut. Then I'm selecting this face to creating this shape, this object, duplicating this object. Okay. And then I'm selecting both of them. I'm going to inside the mesh Boolean difference. I'm inversing the selection, then difference. Okay. For example, I have this model. I can select these two faces. Okay. Then inside I'm using the extrude. I can use it by going to the scale. Okay. And I can select these two. And add another extrude. Okay. Down here, I can go back to the vertices. I can select these and drag them out, sorry. And then I clean the history. Okay. I have this simple model. If I want to change this model from quads to tris, I need to go to mesh, and then I need to select what? Triangulate. Okay. Now, this object is built up based on triangles. Okay. I can go back and select the second one, quadrangulate, to change it back to quads. Okay, of course, there will be some details added because we have details. It must, the shape, the face's shape will not be squares for sure because we used Boolean, and with Boolean always comes strange faces. Okay. And by the way, in professional modeling, usually we don't prefer using the Booleans. Okay. Now, also here, as I said, I have triangulate and quadrangulate. Also, I have the retopologize. As we said, to fix the model, I can click on it. You can see it damaged the model. I need to change the attribute inside it. I need to select preserve hard edges. And then I'll try to apply again, hit on apply again. Yeah, it works good for me. This color means that this object lost the material. To fix it, I need to assign new material. Right click, keep holding and selecting, and then select assign new material. Here inside Arnold, I need to select AI standard surface. Okay. Now you can see this model. The faces inside this model are become squares, right? Almost, of course. How I fix it? By using the Retopologize tool. Inside the option, I click on preserve edges. You can increase or decrease the tolerance for the retopology you are adding, the effect of the retopology. But if you want to try to manipulate, if you are planning to manipulate these numbers, try to manipulate them wisely, because if you increase them so much, you might get a crash. Okay, so the most important thing inside the retopologize if you have a sharp edges, always check the preserve hard edges. Okay, and this is related to fixing the model, how we can fix the model, how we can convert it from tries to quads and quads to tries, we can use the retopology to enhance the topology. Also, as I said, sometimes the Boolean, when the Boolean it didn't work with you, you can try to convert the model to triangulate, use the Booleans, for example, the difference, and then try to make the object or the model quads again by going inside the mesh menu.